Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body's design. And guys, today discuss here a part modeling, a very important, and this is a 3D modeling and use a 2D drafting and how to this body is easily and clearly learn here and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay okay this is a 3D body, how to this body is design, and also chamfer is available here, and this body is looking perfect and this is very useful. And how to this body is all process is learn here is one by one, and this is a flange and all is looking perfect, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. Okay and use this 2D geometry is this is a 2D geometry is also available here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And this is a thread detail is available here, and this is a learn here one by one, and this is a left view, and this is a front view, and this is a bottom view, and all process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. At first select a part and some setting here. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, and this is a plain white is also select here. This is a main body, this is a main, and this drafting is main, and this is a front view. And at first select this circle is drawing here, and at first circle diameter is this is a circle diameter 82 millimeter, and this length is 80 millimeter. And also cutout is 72, and this is 62. At first select a plane is a front plane, and sketch. And click two circle is drawing here. At first drawing one circle, and this is a diameter is 82. And sketch and use this extrude boss, and extrude boss is extrude boss is this length is 80 millimeter. This is a perfect, and one point is very important because this is a midpoint is very important. Select a mid plane, and mid plane is very important, and this is all is correct, and click OK. This is a perfect. And second point is this is a cutout is 72, and this is a 62 cutout, and this length is 72. This is a perfect, and this is a drawing a circle is this and this is a 62 is 62. And exit, and this is a extrude cut is, and use this is a 72. And this is a perfect. And next point is a discuss here. This is body is drawing here, and at first select this is a total length is 190 millimeter, and this center distance is 104 millimeter, and this is a chamfer is a fillet is 32 millimeter, and this length is a 76 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And one by one is, at first select a plane is also select a front plane, and sketch drawing a line. At first this line is a select here, and this is a this and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this total length is 190 millimeter, and this point to this center distance is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 76 millimeter. Okay, and sketch fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 32 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect, and all is black color, mean this is a fully defined. And exit, and one point is very important. This is a 52. This is a cut out of 52 millimeter. 52 millimeter is this circle is drawing here, and this cutout is a 42 millimeter is available here. Okay, and again select a plane is a this plane, and select this point, and this line is select here, because draw a circle is drawing here, and draw a circle is drawing this. Okay, and this is a diameter is 52. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, this is a very useful, and exit, and use a this swept base command is used here, and okay, two profile is drawing here, first profile and second is path. At first select a first profile and select a sketch profile, because circular profile is select here. Then this is a not drawing this circle. At okay, this drawing a circle, then first click. Okay, a sketch profile is click here, and a sketch profile is click here. Then 2 point is a discuss here. First is profile and second is path. Okay, first is profile and second is path, drawing a this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and again select this face, sketch and normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this is a 42 millimeter is correct. 42 millimeter is correct, and then exit, then a hole is cut out, then use a swept cut, and swept cut is a very important. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, swept cutout is a, then use a, at first select a. Okay, swept cut is this is a this. Okay, and this is a cutout, and this is a hole is cut, and draw a this, and use a convert entities. Okay, at first select this, and okay, and select this convert entities, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 72. Okay, this is a perfect, because this is a cutout. Okay, okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and the next point is this point is discuss here. This 64.5 millimeter, and okay, this is a, and this is a 32. Okay, 52 is also discussed here, and 62 is also discussed here. And this is a use this diameter is 64.5 and this length is 32, and this face is also select here, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 64.5. okay, and use a extrude boss, and also some missing point because this and this line is also convert entities, is very nice looking here, and extrude boss is this, and this thickness is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 32 millimeter, and reverse direction is reverse, and 32 is some increase. This is a 38 millimeter is better. Okay, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a 36 is better. 36 is also perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, and then next is a, okay, now start here. Next point is discuss here. This is a drawing here, and this is a circle is drawing, and this circle is bottom. This thickness is 15 millimeter, and this whole cut is 34 millimeter, and at first drawing a upper circle is 110, and this circle is 85, and this is a 62. Okay, at first drawing this circle. Okay, and this is this length is a 110 millimeter. Okay, this is a very important. At first select a plane. Plane is this right plane, not suitable. Top plane is very nice looking here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this is a 110 millimeter, and this use of flip side is better, and okay, and this plane is select here, and this sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, and two circle is drawing here, and mention dimension. This diameter is a 110. Okay, this diameter is a 85, and this diameter is use a only reference. Use a drawing a circle. This circle is this. Okay, and this is a this circle is drawing here. And this diameter is a 12. Okay, this is a 12. Okay, and use a, this is a pattern is use circular pattern, and use this 8 is okay, because this is a 2 to 6, 2 to 6, but 8 is also very nice looking here, and 6 is also correct, but 8 is perfect. And Okay, because all is a this blue color means this is a not fully defined, and then use a fully defined sketch and calculate. This is all is black color, this means this is a fully defined. Okay, okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and this use a sketch normal and drawing a circle. Circle is a 62 millimeter diameter. Okay, 62 millimeter is diameter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, because this is a 82 millimeter is reference and 110 millimeter is correct, and this is 62 millimeter is diameter, then and this cutout is 34, and use a extrude boss base. Okay, this is a very important, and this is a use this up to surface, and surface is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this back side is a again select this and draw a circle. Circle is cut out. This diameter is 34. This is a 34 is correct, because this cutout is a 34 is better. Okay, and exit and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is only use a up to surface. This is a correct, and okay. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next point is also discuss here, and use this, and color is this. Okay, and metal is this, and nickel is also nickel polish is available here. This is a correct. Okay, and next point is also discuss here, and next point is this thread, and also this. Okay, this is a drawing here. This radius is 6 millimeter, and this diameter is a 7 millimeter, and this is a fillet. Okay, and this hole is a okay. At first draw a circle, a reference. This is a correct, and this diameter is a 110 is perfect, and use this reference and draw a circle. Circle is this. Draw a two circle is drawing here, and first diameter is okay. This first diameter is a 6 radius is 6 millimeter, and then diameter is 12 millimeter, and this 7 millimeter is diameter. First is a 12 millimeter, and then second is a 7. Okay, perfect. Okay, and again select a line. Line is drawing this, and connect to this. Okay, and again select a line to this, connect to this. Okay, and this is select here, and use a convert entities, and all is remaining portion is delete here. Okay, and click also this is a delete here, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and some distance to this line to this. Okay, this is perfect. All is defined, fully defined. Okay, and use a pattern is circular pattern is used here, and this point is select here, and this select all one by one is select here, and this use a this, and pattern is a only 3 is better, and click OK, and all is black color. This means this is fully defined, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is one by one is select here, and this is a perfect, and this is a 15 millimeter and direction is reverse, and this 12 millimeter is better, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, all point is discussed here, and next is a this use of flange. This face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and a use a this reference center line is drawing here, because this is a very useful, and draw a 2 circle is drawing here. Okay, and 2 circle is drawing here, and line is connect this point to this is a tangent. Okay, 2 line is a this is a tangent, and select a mirror, and this line to select a this is a this mirror is correct, and also center line is drawing here, this point to this. Okay, and also select a mirror, and mirror is first, second, third, fourth, and select this is a this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, because this flange is a first diameter is 16 millimeter and second diameter is 32 millimeter, and this center point to center point distance is 104 millimeter. Okay, and this is a radius is 38, means this diameter is 76 millimeter. Okay, and at first this circle is 32. Okay, and second is a 16, and distance is first to this is a distance is a 104. Okay, and this distance is a 76. This diameter is 76. Okay, all is looking perfect, because okay, and some point is this to this. Okay, and this point to this diameter is 76, this is 38. Okay, 38 is this diameter, and okay, and also this is a this use this is a 56, not good, 76, but this distance is a 120 is better. Okay, this is a perfect, this distance is 120, but this distance is okay, 120 is better. Okay, and exit and select extrude. Extrude is this, select 1 by 1. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is looking perfect, and this is a 20, this is a 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and this is a, this thickness is available here, and this thickness is a, okay, this thickness is 14 millimeter. Okay, this is a 14 millimeter, and direction is reverse. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. This is a perfect looking here, and this thickness is a correct, but some thickness is also increased, because this is a, okay, some thickness is increased, then also looking perfect, and then 16 millimeter is also better. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is a, this next is all is okay, all is perfect, and next point is a discuss here. This is a thread, and some, this fillet is a, this fillet is 12.15, 12.5, and this fillet is 12, and this is a, okay, okay, some fillet is used here, and this fillet is used, and this is a 12.5, 12.5 is okay, this fillet is 12.5 is looking perfect, and this is a 12, and use this 12. Okay, okay, this is looking perfect, okay, and this is a use of 14 millimeter is better, and 15 millimeter is also better. 15 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a better, and also use this is a chamfer is some, use a chamfer and 1 millimeter, and use this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and 2 millimeter is also fillet is used here, and this is a, this point to this. Okay, 2 millimeter is correct, but 4 millimeter is also better. 4 millimeter is correct, and also this is a use a chamfer is a, this is a 5 millimeter is this, and also fillet is used, and 5 millimeter is this, and this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and last point is discuss here, and this is a thread. Thread is length is 30 millimeter, and pitch is 2 millimeter, and M 30, and offset is 2 millimeter is correct, and use a thread. Thread is available here, this SolidWorks software is 16 above 2016 software version. This SolidWorks software version is 2016 and above. This command is available here and below the 2016 this is not available here. Okay, and this is a perfect and use a metric to die, and this is a M30, pitch is 2. Okay, 32 M30. Okay, this is a perfect M30 and pitch is 2, metric to die, and this length is 30, and select this. Okay, this is a perfect and all is correct. All is correct. M30 to pitch die, and this offset is, click here, and this 2 mm and direction is upward. This is correct, and 2 mm also add here. This is 32. Okay, this is a perfect and click OK. Okay, this is a rebuild, means this is a use a same, but this metric tab, this a metric tab. Okay, this is a click OK. Inside this use a metric tab is okay. This is a perfect. This thread is a use here and correct. And okay, and use a okay, and this is delete here, and this face is select here and normal, and use a circle. Circle is this, some is a cutout is also better, and also select a this and a sketch. Okay, and select this, convert entities, and this diameter is a this is a 62 is, and use this is a 45, and this is a use a 52. Okay, some is cut out, and 54 is okay. 54 is correct, and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this is a 32 is 32, and okay, and then use a thread. Thread is very nice, and all is correct, and use this. Okay, and thread is very looking nice here, and this offset is 2 mm, and this direction is reverse, and okay, this 32 mm and metric tab, and all is looking perfect. Click OK. Okay, very looking nice here, and use this color is some black color, and use this. Okay, this is a perfect, and this color is a change here, copper. Brush is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect looking here. Okay guys, all point is discussed here one by one, and all point is correct. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly, And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view and this part is a union design, and this body is a fully gate wall project, and this part is a okay, this gate wall project, a part of this gate wall project, and this is a union design, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and also 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a all dimension, all geometry is looking here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a assemble body, all parts is assembled here, and this final project is a gate wall project, and this union part is designed here. Okay, today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is very important for beginner student, and okay, and some zoom, this is a okay, this is a correct, and also this is a perfect, and all dimension is you can see here easily. And this is this at first drawing a center line and drawing this body is separate, and this body is separate, and this middle body is this is a hexagon, and below side a body and upper side a body is this geometry is looking here, and this is a hexagon is drawing here and connect to both body. Okay, at first one body separately is drawing here easily. Okay, and let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a body is drawing here easily and clearly, looking perfect, and isometric view is also perfect looking here, and all geometry and all line is perfect here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is drawing here, very important. This is a plain white, and going to option, document properties, image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and all is perfect, and at first select a right plane because right plane is better. Okay, at first drawing this select a center line, very important, and center line distance is a midpoint. This line select and press a control button, and this point is selected, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and align this dimension. This dimension is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. This is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some geometry is draw here, and this geometry is this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and draw a line. Line is this, and this drawing this geometry, and this geometry is perfect. Okay, and this line is connect to this. Okay, drawing this and connect to this. Okay, and this line is this. Okay, and this line is a vertical. Okay, align a dimension is this. This is a 1 millimeter. Okay, at first this is a line is this. Okay, select 1 millimeter this, but okay, and this line is a delete here, and okay, also delete here. Okay, connect to this and select a line, draw a line. This is this to this, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and also select this line is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and 1 millimeter and perfect, and this to this line is a 12 millimeter, and this point to this line is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this line is a draw 18 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this point is drag here. Okay, and this point to this line is a vertical, and okay, and this is a okay, all is, and also this. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. This symmetry is draw here. This is a perfect, and next geometry is also drawing here. Okay, all is a perfect, and this is a this geometry is a, you can see here, this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this is 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter. You can see here, this is a 20 millimeter and this is a 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter, and this height is a this to this is a height is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, but this 18 millimeter is this is a this height is this circle is drawing here this, but this is a all is perfect, and next geometry is a drawing here, and this select a line is a drawing this this is a connect to this line is drawing here, this to this drawing a geometry, and connect this line is a a simple geometry is draw here, and all dimension is a connect to this, and this is line is a some drag line is inclined and connect to this, and this line is this. Okay, and align all dimension is a perfect and correct. At first select this line, and this point is a okay, this point and this point is a horizontal, and also this point and this point is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension is this is a 10 millimeter, this to this 10 millimeter, and also this is a dimension is a 12 millimeter, and this is a incline is a 1 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 7 millimeter is this, and this use a 6 millimeter is this. Okay, and this line is also 1 millimeter. Perfect, and next is this distance is 11 millimeter, and also this is okay, and also 11 millimeter is okay, and this is delete here some relation, not this is a perfect, some relation is this, delete here, and line is drawing this. Okay, this line is drag here because this relation is not okay, and this use this is 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is 8 millimeter, and this use 3.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this use this, and this 7 millimeter and 1 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this also this. Okay, and next, and this is a use this line is this is distance is this 11 millimeter, and also this 11 millimeter, and this is 1 millimeter, and height is this is 8 millimeter, and also this height is 8 millimeter, this, and this is a 3.5 millimeter, and also this is 1 millimeter, and this is 7 millimeter, and 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is this is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and also this is a 6 millimeter and 7 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect and correct. This is a correct. all is a black color, and some dimension is this, and this dimension is perfect. Okay, and all dimension is correct, and going to revolve boss and use this to this. Okay, all is perfect. Click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and sketch, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this hexagon. Okay, and again select a circle, is drawing here, this to this, but some dimension is showing here. This circle diameter is 18 mm, and this is a hexagon. Hexagon is a connect to this 2 point is a 27 mm. Also at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, select this two line is a 27 mm, and circle diameter is 18 mm. Okay, all is perfect, and going to extrude boss, apply here, and this is a perfect, and going to up to surface, and surface, this surface is connect. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all union and all point is a perfect and correct, drawing here, and some material is apply here, and this is a use a nickel. Nickel is polished nickel is perfect and correct. Okay, this union part is easily drawing here, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, and this union part and all dimension is you can see here easily, and drawing this part, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys get any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a pipe nipple, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all 2D drafting is available here. And this is a isometric view, and this project is a hydraulic pump project, and all parts is a one by one is drawing here, and last is a all parts is a assemble here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is 2D drafting is available here. And this is this lecture is very important for a beginner or student. Okay, and okay, this project is very important, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a pipe nipple, and okay, this is a cutout is very useful. And okay, and this hexagon is drawing here, and this is a cutout, and this body is very nice looking here. And how to this body is designed and all process is learn here one by one. Okay, let's start here this body is design. At first select a part, and going to some setting is very important, because okay, and some setting is very important because this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and all okay, and all point is setting here a very important. And at first select this all detail is you can see here on the screen. Okay, this front is a plane is select here. A front plane is better. At first select here, and this is a drawing a circle. Circle is 19 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is this, and select a mid plane. Okay, okay, at first select a plane is front plane and drawing a circle. Okay, okay, this is circle is drawing here easily, and okay, and this diameter is a 19 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And use a extrude boss, and at first select a mid plane because this is a very important point, and this distance is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, and at first select this face sketch normal and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is drawing here this plane, this point, and drawing this. Okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line. This is a very important point. Okay, this line is horizontal. Okay, and next is a use a this point, and this point is select here, and this is a 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 25 millimeter. This okay, and this cutout is this does drawing a circle, and circle is this distance is a 1.5. Okay, okay, and select a extrude boss base, and select a mid plane. Okay, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, this is a not drawing is better this face, but select a plane. Okay, and this is a control. Okay, this exit here, and control Z is some point is edit here. Okay, this is a not select this face, and select a use a front plane because this is a middle, and sketch normal, and hexagon is drawing this. Okay, and select this line and horizontal. Okay, and drawing this 2 point or 25 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And going to extrude boss base is apply here, and this use a mid plane, and this a 5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, because this dimension is a 5 millimeter is this is use a mid plane. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, 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 next is this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle, because this is a cutout is this and smart dimension is used here, and select this point, and this line and this line is distance between 1.5 millimeter. 1.5 millimeter. This is a perfect 1.5 millimeter is perfect, and use a extrude cut, and through all is better, and select OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a perfect. This is use a fillet, and 1 millimeter is radius, and this is a use a chamfer is this 0.5 and 45 degree angle. Use a fillet. Fillet is a 1 millimeter is this, and select both side. At first this, and select this. Both side is perfect and correct. Okay, and again select use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 0.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and select this inside. This inside is a okay. This is not inside is perfect. Delete here. Select upper line this, and select this. Both line is a select here, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Next point is all point is perfect, and next point is some cutting is a thread, and thread is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and this use a 2 millimeter is pitch, and this is a half is a 4.75 millimeter, and this is a full is a 9.5 millimeter, and this is a 70 degree angle. Okay, at first select this face sketch, and select this upper line, and use a convert entities. Okay, and exit, and use a helix and spiral. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and going to this pitch and revolution and constant pitch. Okay, and this pitch is 2 millimeter is perfect, and direction is reverse direction, because this direction is change here, and this is a reverse is better, and this revolution is a 4.75 millimeter is multiplied 2, and 9.5 millimeter is this. This is a half of this, and this is a use a 4.75 millimeter is this, and start angle is 0 degree and clockwise. All is perfect, and this is a okay. Click here. Okay. Okay, all is perfect, and select a right plane. Okay, select a right plane and sketch normal, or drawing a okay, drawing a thread, and select this, and this drawing a okay. Okay, all is perfect, again drawing a center line, select up this point to this, because this line is a horizontal, this is a vertical line. Okay. Okay, and smart dimension is this user dimension is this is a 70, this is 70 degree. Okay, all point is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is user. Okay, this is a this cutout is 1 millimeter is this, this distance is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 1 millimeter, and this is a angle is 70 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This point is drag here, this okay. Okay, this use exit and going to sweep cut, and sweep cut is this is a profile is select here, automatic here, and this select a path. Okay, and the path is a okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a okay, this is cutout is very important. Okay, and this line is hide because this body is a this thread cutting is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect cutting here, and going to this is a front plane. Okay, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, both side is cutting here easily. Okay, and going to okay this all point is learn here easily and clearly, and all point is discuss here one by one, and material is apply here, and going to this metal, and metal is this nickel is used here, and this is a use, and all point is a perfect and correct, and isometric view, and okay, all point is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important, and this is a case of a roller bearing, and this body is perfect drawing here, and today drafting is also available here. This is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and this body is isometric view, and this is a case of roller bearing, and this roller bearing project is all part is assemble here, and this is a final product is design here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect project, and this body and this project is also a beginner student is very important. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and how to this body is design easily and clearly today discuss here, and this body is looking perfect, and material is apply here a brush material. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here, and back side is also perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also better. Okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Some setting is very important, and going to this at first select this plain white, and this is option is a click here, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a this is a front view is very nice because all a large dimension is showing here this, and okay, at first select a reference line, and then use this distance is 16.23 millimeter, and this is a 27.5 millimeter, and this radius is this, and this is a diameter is this, and this 1.3 is a offset here, and this angle is this, and this is a 3.5 millimeter, and this 2 is a both is fillet is used here, and this is a cutout is dimension. Okay, at first select a plane, a front plane, and reference line is a drawing here, this okay, and drawing this drawing a simple geometry, drawing a line, and this line is a this. Okay, and dimension is this point to this is a 27.5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 3.5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 16.23 millimeter. Okay, and this angle is a 102.78 millimeter, 8 degree. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And all this is a distance is 3.5 millimeter, and this is a 16.23 millimeter, and this angle is 102.78 degree, and this is a offset here. At first going to this fillet is used here, this fillet 1 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, and offset is a select here this offset, and this line is this offset. Okay, offset is this line is select here, and this is a 1.33, and this is a reverse direction. Okay, all is perfect and correct. The 1.33 millimeter is this, and connect to this line, connect to this line to this, and again this line to this line to this. Okay, and trim entity is apply at this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet is used here 1, and this is a select this. Okay, select a both line, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and all is mentioned here this to this. Okay, all is better and perfect. Okay, all is a black color, means this is fully defined, and all is perfect and correct. And going to this revolve boss base and select this. Okay, this body is a drawing here, and apply a sum cutout, and then again select a front plane, sketch normal, and select this corner line, this edge select here, and this is a this is a convert entities. Okay, and this is a also for a construction, because this is user and exit. And going to this plane, a plane is selected a front plane. Okay, and again select this line. Okay, this reference line is very important. And okay, select this plane and sketch normal. Okay, drawing a center line is this, connect to this. Okay, and use a corner rectangle is a drawing here, and this corner rectangle is a select this use a make symmetric. Okay, this line and both line is a symmetric, and dimension is this is a 2.35 millimeter, and this is a length is a 12.35 millimeter, and width is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a select this point to this is a 2.35 millimeter, and this length is a 12.35 millimeter, and this distance is a 7 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This is a better and perfect. Okay, all is for this line and this line to this line is a symmetric. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and this is a delete here. Because this point to this is a normal. Okay, this point to this is a normal. Select this point to this. Okay, and this use select this and use this point to this point is a this is a perfect. 2.35 millimeter or the and and mention here this and this line is a perfect line this point, and this is a and this cutout is a very important, and all is perfect. And this line is a horizontal line. And this cutout is very important, and all is perfect. 2.35 and 12.535 and 7, but this point is a this distance is a this delete here. Select this line to this point. And and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 10 millimeter is this because all is hide, this is a hide. And this plane is hide, and this line is also hide. This is a hide here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again use a select a pattern, is this a circular pattern, and select this extrude cut, and select this face, and 360-degree angle pattern is 8 and equal spacing, and all is perfect. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and very nice looking here. And okay, and material is apply here a polished brush, and this is a perfect. Okay, all point is perfect and correct, and this body is drawing here easily. And isometric view is this. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture for a beginner student, and this project is a roots blower project, and how to easily drawing a roots blower project. Okay, and this part is this body is a shaft design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a 2D drafting is also available here. This okay, and all is looking perfect and correct. And all 2D geometry, 2D dimension, 2D drafting is also available here. This okay, and this is a isometric view, and this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a right view, and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly, and one by one all parts is drawing here. Then last is this body is assemble, and then this project is completed here. Okay, this is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And then how to this part and how to this body is designed. Then this is a shaft body, and this is a very useful and helpful correct. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select some important point is drawing here. Okay, and plain white, and going to option, and document properties, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a perfect and correct. And this top view and full length is a 215 millimeter, and this length is a 150 millimeter, and this offset is 40 millimeter is offset here. And this is a radius is a 20 millimeter diameter. This diameter is 20 millimeter, and this center rectangle is drawing here. This length is 4 millimeter, and width is also 4 millimeter. Okay, at first this body is drawing a front plane is better. A circle is drawing here. A circle diameter is a 20 millimeter. Okay, a center rectangle is drawing here. This is a okay, and going to this and this length is a 4 millimeter, and also width is a 4 millimeter. This is a perfect. And going to extrude boss, and extrude boss is apply here. This select this line, okay, and this line is a perfect, and this diameter, this length is a 215 millimeter is perfect, okay, and okay. Again select this sketch, extrude boss is also apply here, and also select this and also this, going to back side and this, okay, and this is a length is very important, and going to this length is a 150 millimeter, okay, and offset is also apply here, a 14 millimeter is offset, okay. This is a perfect, and both length is a perfect. First this is offset and this is a length, and click OK. And this is a perfect, and also this is a 5 pattern, then use a circular pattern, and going to this pattern and circular pattern is apply here, and this parameter is a full face, and this is a pattern is apply here, this going to extrude boss, and okay, this pattern is a 5 pattern and 360 degree angle, and all is perfect and correct, okay. All geometry and all dimension is you can see here, and material is apply here, this material going to a steel is polished steel, and then okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also perfect, looking here, okay, and all is perfect, okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.